Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Momin Ali, physiotherapist, and I am from Lucknow, Aliganj. In this video, I will tell you about the most commonly three things everyone must know about COVID. So in this video, I will tell you three main things. The one thing is about how to check your oxygen level without the use of spirometry, and the second topic is then how to increase the oxygen level by some positioning and some physiotherapy exercises. And in my third topic, I will tell you about the best diet fruits and supplements which is very helpful in boosting immunity for this pandemic COVID situations. My first topic is about how to check your oxygen saturation level without the use of pulse oximeter, Roth scale to identify your oxygen saturation level. So what you have to do is to just inhale your breath and hold it for 30 seconds. If any person can hold his breath up to 30 seconds, it means that the person oxygen level is above 95%. And if a person is hold his breath and not able to maintain even up to 10 seconds, it means that her oxygen level is below 95%, 95 to 90%. And if a person is unable to hold his breath up to even 5 seconds, then it means that her oxygen level is below 90%. So how to do is to just inhale and hold it for 30 seconds like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. So as you see that I am able to hold my breath up to 30 seconds after inspiration. If any person holding his breath and not even maintaining up to 10 seconds like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If any person is just able to hold his breath up to only 10 seconds, it means that her oxygen level is below 95%, 95 to 90%. And if a person is not even able to hold his breath up to 5 seconds like this, 1 2 3 4 5. If a person is not able to hold his breath up to 5 seconds, it means that her oxygen level is below 90%. So as you got the information is to how to check your oxygen level without pulse oximeter, and my next topic is about then how to increase your oxygen saturation level by doing some positioning and by doing some physiotherapy exercises. So here are some positioning exercises which can be done by both post-COVID rehab patient and initially diagnosed COVID patients. As the position depicts, do same to increase your oxygen level in lungs, and this is side lying position which can be done by 15 to 20 minutes daily, and change your position as follows. And my next topic is about home breathing exercises for as you know, initially diagnosed COVID patients. First exercise is pursed-lip breathing. In this, what you have to do is just to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. While inhaling, you have to hold 5 to 10 seconds and then slowly exhale from your mouth. Do a repetition of 5 to 10 repetitions of each exercise. There is an alternate method of this exercise. People having nasal obstruction unable to do inhalation from their nose. So what you have to do is to just inhale from your mouth instead of nose. And the process is same. You have to inhale from your mouth and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Then exhale slowly and then do a repetition of 5 to 10 times. Second exercise is straw method, in which you have to create a sucking force from your mouth to inhale oxygen in your lungs and hold till to hold the beats, and do 5 to 10 repetition as much as you can. Initially start with 5 to 10 seconds. And third method is balloon method, in which what you have to do is exhale your air from mouth to fluff the balloon. This is very good exercise for your lungs. Next exercise is for chest mobility, with breathing. What you have to do is to create area in the lungs so that more air can be accommodate in your lungs. Inhale while going up and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, then going down. Inhale while going up and exhale while going down. Inhale while going up and exhale while going down. My third topic is about I will recommend you some healthy fruits. As you know that some fruits like lemon, oranges are good for having boosting immunity because it has vitamin C. But here I will recommend you one supplement called Active Multivitamin for Men from Nutrabay. It's basically a multivitamin for especially designed for men, and it's authentic. I bought this from nutrabay.com. Nutrabay is a very authentic site for buying healthy supplements. So why multivitamin? Multivitamins has two important factors for our body: proper functioning of our internal organs like heart, brain, kidney, liver, etc. is to boost your immunity. And you know that in COVID-19 time immunity is very important, and but it's not a directly remedy for a COVID, but it's if a COVID patient or normal individual can take this multivitamin, it will definitely help for boosting immunity. Remember to keep sanitize your hand throughout the day because COVID virus got adhere in any surface, and after touching those surfaces the COVID virus strictly adhere to your hand. So keep sanitize your hand as well as wash your hand thoroughly. And you must know that COVID virus got inside our body from orifices like nose and mouth. So keep protect your nose and mouth by mask and keep maintaining 1 meter distance from each other, and keep share this video for create COVID awareness to all people.